Hey everybody, we're coming to you from Day of the Dev, Day 2, where I just played Halibut. It's a weird game with really original graphics. I don't think I've seen anything like this since... I don't think I've ever seen anything like this, quite honestly. The basic premise of the story is that you play Harold Halibut, a janitor aboard a spaceship that has crashed on an alien world that is completely covered in ocean. And you have to help the lead scientist discover what's going on, how to get the ship back running. It's not quite puzzly. It's a more of an introspective adventure game, I want to say. It's definitely not fast-paced. At the moment, this just seems like a lot of errand running. Oh, I found the ship's bathroom. Huzzah. I don't want to say it's slow-paced, but I mean, it really kind of is. I'm not really sure what's going on. I just got bailed out of the ship's jail by the lead scientist. She made a breakthrough discovery at the planetary last night, and we are looking for the last badge of bloomy rocks. Not sure what they do, but they're definitely important. Okay, and now I need to go find older bloomy rocks. It's not exciting, no, but I feel like I can't quite put it down. It's like a Wes Anderson movie. I don't particularly enjoy it, but I kind of want to see it through nonetheless. It's weird. This is weird. This is weird. But I'm kind of digging the vibe. It is beautiful artwork though. It's almost claymation and stop motion animation like. But apparently the game designers basically built physical models and dollhouse-sized rooms and then built the game off of those. It almost feels like these should be marionettes. What were those old holiday shows from the 70s? You know, like the one with the Heat Miser.
They call me Heat Miser.
Yeah, it's like that. I'm not entirely sure what the whole plot of the game is. We were only afforded a quick demo with the pre-alpha build, but if the rest of the game is anything like what I just played, I could definitely get into it. We're not entirely sure when it's going to finally come out or what platforms it's going to be available on, but I am definitely going to keep an eye out on this game, and I hope you will too. We'll be here for the whole week at GDC 2018, so be sure to stay tuned to Engadget all week, and be sure to tip your waitress.